Hello everybody. Today we will fix apps downloading automatically in iPhone without installation problem. So for this, open settings and in settings tap on iPhone's home screen and scroll down to the list and find App Store in settings homepage. Tap on it. Now in App Store, in the automatic downloads, if you have enabled automatic downloads, locate the app download option and make sure it is turned off. Automatic download is turned off and app download is also turned off. Here, automatic install free and paid apps download, make sure it is also turned off. So that's it. This is the fix which you can try. Thanks for watching. See you in